Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad restaurant style. To achieve that professional look and taste, start by selecting the freshest, most vibrant fruits available. Focus on seasonal options for peak flavor and sweetness. Remember, the quality of your ingredients is the foundation of a truly exceptional fruit salad. Aim for a good mix of colors and textures to make it visually appealing and delicious. For that restaurant-quality presentation, select fruits with contrasting colors like strawberries, blueberries, and honeydew. Always wash and dry your produce meticulously to ensure cleanliness and prevent a watery salad. Cut everything into consistent, bite-sized pieces, perhaps 1-inch cubes, so each spoonful offers a delightful mix. This attention to detail elevates your fruit salad from good to gourmet. A light dressing is key. It should complement, not overpower, the fruit. Try a simple mix of fresh orange juice, a tablespoon of honey, and finely chopped mint. Toss your prepared fruit gently with this dressing just before serving to maintain freshness and prevent sogginess. For presentation, arrange the salad artfully in a chilled bowl or individual glasses, perhaps garnished with a fresh mint sprig. For the best results, ensure all your fruits are well chilled before you begin assembly. This keeps the salad crisp and refreshing. To maintain visual appeal, avoid including fruits that oxidize and brown quickly, such as apples or bananas, unless you plan to serve immediately. If you must use them, toss them in a little lemon juice first. And for a little something extra, check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.